The snow is piling up the driveway vanished. You're back, it's already screaming, and you haven't even stepped outside yet, but this year you're not touching a manual shovelware, and the game has changed. I spent the last month battling blizzards, heavy slush, and icy sidewalks with the latest machines. We tested power, battery life, and throwing distance until our fingers went numb. Some of these shovels failed. They choked on the snow and left us stranded. But these five were different. They cut through the white stuff like a hot knife through butter. We're counting down the top 5 best electric snow shovels, and trust me, the #1 pick is an absolute beast that will make you actually look forward to a snow day. Let's dig in. Starting at number 1. Senix 60-volt 21-inch cordless snowblower. His Snowblower's less expensive little sister is a fan favorite among Amazon shoppers, but sold out after the last East Coast storm. You can, however, still grab this 40% off electric snowblower version for heavy-duty snow lifting jobs. It has a 21-inch snow clearing width, 13-inch depth, and 45-foot throw distance that makes it ideal for both sidewalks and driveways. Its brushless motor and dual-blade auger allow it to throw up to 1,200 pounds of snow removal per minute, and its chute adjusts up to 200 degrees for your preferred snow placement as well. One reviewer bought this Senix model for their grandpa, writing, "My grandpa said it's the best snow blower he's used," they said, adding that they previously considered another for nearly $900. The design is great, between how easy it is to put together and how quickly it worked. He finished making paths in 20 to 30 minutes. It usually takes almost an hour. Number 2. Snow Joe Snow Shovel. This snow shovel looks like a regular old shovel, but it's a bestseller that has sold more than 3,000 times in the past month, for good reason. It only weighs 2 pounds by itself, but its razor-sharp blade and spring-assisted handle give you added leverage, so you can move hundreds of pounds of snow while putting yourself through significantly less strain. One reviewer out of the nearly 3,000 other 5-star reviewers called it a backsaver and said it really makes shoveling snow so much easier, especially with their lower back issues. They added that they experienced no back soreness after several days of shoveling the 2026 East Coast Snowcrete, and greatly appreciated how the blade part is decently sharp and works well for pushing and scraping regular snow on pavement. Number 3. Snow Joe Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. Purchased 2,000 times in the past month, the Snow Joe Cordless Snow Shovel Kit is now $20 off. With the ability to cut 10 inches wide and 5 inches deep through snow, it's perfect for shoveling out your decks, walkways, porches, and steps. It offers 20 volts of cordless power and a 2-blade paddle auger that's powerful enough to throw snow up to 18 feet away, while still offering 45 degrees of directional control. That means you can throw snow where you want it rather than just creating a directionless disaster you'll have to deal with later. It's also only 8.4 pounds, making it easy to maneuver, and has a telescopic handle that can adjust to up to 52 inches. Someone called it a lifesaver this winter, and said that it's very easy to handle and lift. It cleared snow from my steps easily, and I was able to make a path for my doggy through almost a foot of snow. Buying the wrong size snowblower could make or break your ability to efficiently clear snow. If you have a huge driveway or a long pathway, be careful not to go too small. Lightweight snowblower alternatives, like an electric snow shovel, will require more effort than they're worth if you have a lot of ground to cover or live where snowstorms are an everyday occurrence. In those instances, investing in a heavy-duty machine makes much more sense. Number 4. Bsolus Snow Whiz Turbo Blower. For quicker, smaller snow removal jobs, this tiny handheld is surprisingly powerful. It has a maximum output speed of up to 130,000 RPMs to quickly dry and even reduce water stains and marks. It features multiple airflow levels, which can be used for different cleaning jobs. Use level 3 or 4 for snow removal or level 1 or 2 for blowing dust off of plants and pet hair off of upholstery. Keep it at the office or in your car so if it snows while you're out, you can clear off the car before driving away. Number 5. Westinghouse W Snow 11 SD Corded Snow Shovel. For under $100, this cordless snow shovel is ideal for compact areas and can remove up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. It clears 11 inches wide and 6 inches deep in every pass, making it perfect for standard driveways. One reviewer who used the snow shovel during Michigan's last snowstorm was amazed at how well this snow shovel worked on up to 12 inches of snow due to blowing and drifting, sometimes much more. They called it tremendously powerful for a little shovel and said it ended up working even better than our electric snowblower. Have you ever started up your snowblower for the first time in a while and noticed there's still fuel left from the last snowfall? Yeah, that's not a good thing. Though you may be tempted to get your money's worth out of the fuel, it's best practice to replace it. Ramos says, fuel is only good for about 30 days, and using old fuel can cause starting and performance issues. That's our list for if you're tired of being sore all winter. Any one of these top 3 will change your life. We've linked them all in the description below. Prices are fluctuating with the storms, so check the current deals right now. If this video saved your back this winter, please smash that like button. It really helps the channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our spring buying guides coming up next. Stay warm out there, and I'll see you in the next one.